Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Swiss chard is a nutritional powerhouse that's surprisingly easy to cook, making it perfect for any home chef. It offers a vibrant color and a slightly earthy, mild flavor that's not bitter. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, K, and C, along with beneficial minerals. You can easily transform this humble vegetable into a delicious, healthy side dish with just a few simple steps. Always wash your Swiss chard thoroughly under cold water to remove any grit or soil. Then, it's crucial to separate the tough stems from the tender leaves because they cook at very different rates. Take a sharp knife and cut the leaves away from the stems, then chop those fibrous stems into small, half-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks perfectly. Start by heating a large skillet or pot with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped chard stems and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender crisp. During the last 2 minutes of cooking the stems, you can add minced garlic or thinly sliced shallots. This creates a wonderful aromatic base for your dish. Now it's time to add the beautiful, chopped chard leaves directly to the pan with your cooked stems and aromatics. You'll notice they look like a huge amount, but don't worry, they will quickly wilt down, reducing greatly in volume. Stir frequently and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until the leaves are softened and vibrant green. To finish your delicious Swiss chard, season it simply with a good sprinkle of salt and fresh black pepper to taste. For an extra burst of flavor, a small splash of lemon juice or a dash of apple cider vinegar brightens everything up beautifully. Serve it hot as a healthy, vibrant side dish that pairs wonderfully with chicken, fish, or even pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.